Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 6x and negative 6x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by negative 2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 7y, and the right sides combine to negative 35. Divide both sides by 7. That leaves y equals negative 5. Use y equals negative 5 in the first original equation. Replace y with negative 5. The remaining x term equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 4. The solution is x equals negative 4 and y equals negative 5. It makes both original equations true.